Hard to believe I was out here doing this 5 days ago. It's windy, but we made it into the 70s yesterday. Time to go out and work on that chicken tractor. So you have one person who says if they don't have meat with their dinner, it's not a dinner. You have two people who can go back and forth, meat, no meat, not really a huge deal. They like it, they want it, but not every meal. You have another new vegetarian who's never really liked red meat of any kind or fish anyway, so really they've only just given up chicken. And then you have a vegetarian who also has dairy issues, so they're borderline vegan. What do you do with that? That is this household. So I have a lot of the time just said, you know what I'm making for dinner, and then we'll figure it out from there, pick and choose. But then I do have plenty of meals where I can alter them as I go and make sure that everybody's happy and satisfied. And that's one of these meals. So if you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and leave a comment if you want. That'd be great. I'd love to hear from you guys. And let's go ahead and make Indian masala. I'm not going to call it chicken masala or chickpea masala. It's a little bit of everything. But let's go ahead and make that and have a great time tonight. Start by dicing one onion. Sauté the onion in olive oil. Go ahead and throw in some vegan butter, and if you can handle real butter, that's great. Go ahead and use that. I'm throwing in 3 cloves of garlic, but remember this family loves garlic, so take that into consideration, and if you want a little less, go for it. Add 1 14-ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm using tomatoes from my garden, so this is about 14 ounces. Close enough. Starting with the spices, we have 1 tablespoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next is 1 teaspoon ground ginger, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon turmeric, and half a teaspoon of curry powder. This next part is completely optional, but if you like a little heat, go ahead and throw in some cayenne pepper. For our family, I'm going ahead and using half a teaspoon. Stir everything in really well. Add in 1 can of full-fat, unsweetened coconut milk. Incorporating the coconut milk takes a while. Just keep stirring, just keep stirring. Sorry, bad Nemo reference there. last spice to add in is 2 teaspoons of paprika. Of course, I just guesstimated here. Throwing in some chickpeas for protein. And if you don't want to use chickpeas, go ahead and cut up some chicken. You can get ready-made grilled chicken, throw it in there, or just get a chicken breast, fry it up, throw it in, either one works. I've added in mushrooms to this batch, but this is the time to get creative. Throw in broccoli, zucchini, whatever your little heart desires. We like naan bread with our Indian food, but make sure you check your packages. Some have milk products in them and others don't. Go ahead and spread a little vegan butter or regular dairy butter if you can handle it on each piece, and then sprinkle with garlic powder. I just put them in the oven at 350 degrees for a few minutes to warm them up.